Hi, welcome back to MATLAB. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to simplify a fraction containing geometric series. And we have 2 plus round parentheses 2 at the power of 2013 plus 2 at the power of 2012 plus 2 at the power of 2011 plus 2 everything over 4 at the power of 1008. But before that, hit the subscribe button in the video corner for more math solutions to come. And if you need help with your homework, let me know in the comments in order to find a solution for you. Now, coming back to our problem. First, we calculate the sum above, but we can also rewrite it like this. 2 at the power of 2013 plus 2 at the power of 2012 plus 2 at the power of 2011 plus 2. I can rewrite this sum using the formula of geometric series because this is a geometric series. So we have sum of n equals with b1 multiplied with q at the power of n minus 1 over q minus 1. For those of you who are in the 10th grade, you know that the terms of this sum are the terms of a geometric progression with q ratio. So we have a geometric sequence ratio with, in our case, 2 equals with 2 at the power of 2013 over 2 at the power of 2012, which is equals with 2, meaning geometric progression ratio formula, which is Q equals with Bn plus 1 over Bn. Bn meaning first term, the second term, and so on. Furthermore, we have first term b1 equals with 2, and q we obtain it by observing the power of as often as it is repeated and the base is kept. So we can observe above that we have powers on 2013, 2012, and 2011. So if we subtract between the first two terms, it gets 2013 minus 2012, which is equals 1. And by the keeping the base, we obtain q equals with 2 at the power of 1 equals with 2. In this way, the sum becomes s equals with 2 multiplied with 2 at the power of 2013 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 equals with 2 multiplied with 2 at the power of 2013 minus 1 over 1 equals with 2 multiplied with 2 at the power of 2013 minus 2 multiplied with 1 equals with 2 at the power of 2014 minus 2. And initial fraction from above this one becomes a result that 2 plus 2 plus 2 at the power of 2014 minus 2 over 4 at the power of 1008 equals with 2 at the power of 2014 over 2 at the power of 2 everything at the power of 1008 equals furthermore with 2 at the power of 2014 over 2 at the power of 2 multiply with 1008 equals with, no, in this case multiplied comes down at the here. And we have now 2 at the power of 2 multiplied with 1018 equals with, furthermore, with 2 at the power of 2014 over 2 at the power of 2016. This one divided by 2 at the power of 2014, we would obtain that 2 at the power of 2014 divided by 2 at the power of 2014 over 2 at the power of 2016 divided by 2 at the power of 2014. So we have furthermore equals with 2 at the power of 2014 minus 2014 over 2 at the power of 2016 minus 2014 equals with 2 at the power of 0 of 2 at the power of 2 equals with 1 over 4. Notice that the above I rewrote the denominator like this to be able to simplify the fraction. And I have rewritten 4 at the power of 1008 as 2 at the power of 2 everything at the power of 1008, which leads me to 2 at the power of 2016, meaning that I use the rules of calculation with powers. And in the numerators, it was observed that 2 terms was reduced. And in this way, I have the result above 1 over 4. Therefore, it is important to look carefully at this kind of exercises before starting to solve them and to study all the possibilities we have so that we choose the correct and easier one. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to see you tomorrow again. Thank you.